This is one of my childhood favorite fruit. It's a very sour fruit that is quite juicy and nice. The flowers are red flowers actually, somewhat like the tar. There is one variety of jasmine that has that similar red color. Then the unusual thing is that the flowers pop out of the stems itself, and the fruit also like a ficus. However, it's not a ficus; it's probably phyllanthus. And those fruits are quite juicy and nice. That one. Leaves are simple type of leaves, that pointy at the end and smooth. And flowers, there are a couple of flowers within my reach. This is actually in somebody's garden. And these fruits have a kind of waxy coating. And this is mainly found in west coast of Karnataka. I hardly saw in other places, though it's quite a nice tree.